You have a good job. You pay your bills on time. You are even putting money away for retirement. From the outside, it looks and feels like you are doing everything right. So what if I told you that those minor debts are sabotaging your retirement? Whether it is that last car loan, the last bit of your student debt, or the credit card balance you are slowly chipping away at. What if I told you they could be costing you years of your freedom? This is not about needing to make more money. This is about a simple mathematical and psychological shift in your strategy. It is about turning your debt payments into the single highest returning investment you can possibly make. This is how you reclaim your future and potentially retire years sooner than you ever thought possible. Welcome back to my channel. We are on step 3 of our comprehensive series guiding you from building a solid financial foundation all the way to securing your legacy. So today we are tackling a crucial milestone, optimizing your debt. To illustrate just how powerful this is, I've created a guy called Mark. His situation might feel uncomfortably familiar. Mark is 45 years old and a successful professional. From the outside, he is crushing it. A great income, a mortgage he's paying down, and a pension that's growing nicely. He also has what he calls manageable debt. You probably know the kind. There's about $8,000 left on car loan, at 7% interest, a stubborn $5,000 on a credit card from a kitchen renovation sitting at 22% interest, and a lingering $2,000 from an old student loan at 6% interest. Mark is not worried. He makes the payments every single month without fail, so he feels like he's in complete control. In his mind, these are just the normal cost of living a good life, and he figures he will clear them out eventually. Maybe when the next bonus lands or when things calm down. He is focused on the big picture, his investments, his pension, and his retirement. Here is the problem. Mark is wrong. He is not in control. His retirement is not a fixed point on the horizon. It is a finish line that is being actively pushed further back into the distance with every single interest payment he makes. That manageable debt is quietly stealing years of his life. So the mistake that Mark and so many of us make is looking at debt through the lens of affordability. We ask ourselves, can I make the monthly payment? If the answer is yes, we relax, we chill out. But that's the wrong question. The right question is, what is it truly costing you? What is it truly costing you in terms of your future? Every single pound you pay in interest is a pound you cannot receive. You cannot invest it for your own future. It is a hole in your financial bucket. And high interest debt is not a tiny drip. It is a raging torrent pouring your wealth out. Think about that from a £5,000 credit card debt at 22% interest. It's not just debt, it's financial ball and chain. It costs £1,100 a year, over £90 a single month, that just vanishes into thin air, providing zero value. Now, let's connect this to retirement, because if Mark took that same £1,100 a year and invested it, what would happen? Even at a conservative 7% annual return over 20 years, it would grow to $45,000. That is the real cost of that credit card debt. A massive chunk of his retirement nest egg has just disappeared into the bank's pocket. It's a trap. We tell ourselves, I make good money, I will deal with it later. But later is the most expensive word in finance. The longer you wait, the more your future income is diverted to paying things you already bought in the past. The goal is to have your money working for you, not for the bank. The key is not just earning more. It's about the order in which you attack your finances. So enough of drilling on the problem. Let's talk about how to get to the solution. It's a method called the Debt Avalanche. This is not like a trendy gimmick, it is pure mathematics. For virtually everyone, it is the fastest and cheapest way to eliminate bad debt. The method is incredibly simple, but its power is transformative, for the better word. Here is how it works, step by step. First, stop looking at your debts emotionally. Ignore the one that annoys you the most, or the one with the smallest balance. You need to look at them from the same view a banker would when they're looking at profiting off you. List every single non-mortgage debt you have, and for our friend Mark, that is credit card at £5,000 at 22% APR, the car loan at £8,000 at 7% APR, and the £2,000 student loan at 6% APR. Second, and this is the most important step, you rank them by interest rate from highest to lowest. The balance is completely irrelevant for this ranking. Mark's list, properly ordered for the Debt Avalanche, is now credit card, car loan, student loan. That highest rate debt is now your number one enemy. It is target zero. Third, continue paying the required minimums on everything else. For Mark, that's the car and student loans. This keeps all your accounts in good standing and avoids penalties later on. Fourth, take every single spare pound you can find and throw it at target zero, that credit card. You're not just chipping away at it anymore. You are attacking it with an intensity like you can never imagine. Cancel a subscription, pack your lunch for a month, redirect that extra money you were putting into a low interest savings account. All of that financial firepower is now aimed squarely at that 22% monster. And finally, once that credit card is gone, you can celebrate. But you cannot stop. You take the entire amount you were paying on it, the original minimum, plus all the extra cash you were hammering it with, and you redirect that whole sum to the next debt on your list. In this case, the 7% car loan. This creates the avalanche effect. Your payment power grows as each debt is wiped out, gathering speed and force as it rolls downhill. And after that car loan is gone, you do the exact same thing for the student loan until you are completely and gloriously debt-free. So here's the mental shift that changes everything, right? Paying off a debt is not an expense. It is an investment with a guaranteed tax-free return. And let me say that again, because it is guaranteed return. When you put money into the stock market, you hope for a 7% or 10% return, but nothing is guaranteed. This market zigs and zags, but when you pay off a credit card debt that is charging you 22% interest, you are giving yourself a 22% return on that money. That return is guaranteed. And every pound you use to pay off that debt is a pound that is no longer being eaten alive by interest. You will not find a savings account or a government bond that pays 22%. No financial advisor on the planet can promise you that kind of risk-free return, but you can give it to yourself right now by attacking your high interest debt. Each time you clear the debt, you have locked in the future return forever. And when Mark kills his $5,000 credit cards, he just has secured a 22% guaranteed return on that money. When he then clears his $8,000 car loan, he has locked in a guaranteed 7%. And this is not just saving money on your interest, it is about actively making your money work for you in the most efficient way imaginable. You are buying back your future income and you're doing it one debt at a time. If the idea of a guaranteed return is starting to click, do two things for me. First, hit that subscribe button so you do not miss the next step in our financial journey. And second, to get the free guides and summaries of the strategies we cover, use the link in the description to sign up for the email list. It is the best way to keep these plans at your fingertips. Now, some of you are probably thinking, but I have heard of the Debt Snowball. It is the other popular method, and it is important that we address it. With the snowball method, you also list your debts, but instead of ranking by interest rate, you rank them by their balance, from smallest to largest. You attack the smallest debt first to get a quick psychological win, and then you roll that payment into the next smallest and so on. Let's be crystal clear, the Debt Snowball is a fantastic tool. That quick win can provide a powerful motivational boost. If you've tried to pay off debt before and failed because you lost steam, the snowball might be the right choice for you. Any plan you can actually stick to is definitely better than no plan at all. However, the title of this video is Pay Off the Debt in the Right Order to retire years sooner. If your goal is to optimize for speed and minimize the debt you pay, the Avalanche is mathematically superior. By hitting the highest interest rate first, you are plugging your biggest financial leak as fast as possible. And that means you pay less money over the life of your loans and you become debt-free faster. For anyone whose primary goal is accelerating their journey to financial freedom, the math is the avalanche. Do the avalanche. So let us circle back to Mark. By switching from his passive approach to a focused debt avalanche, he does not just pay off his debts, he transforms his financial trajectory. That £1,100 a year that was vanishing on credit card interest is now his to keep forever. And by clearing his debts in just a few years instead of a vague decade, he frees up hundreds of pounds every single month. Now that money can actually be put to work. It can be used to max out his pension contributions. It can be invested to compound and grow. It can build a real emergency fund that provides true financial security. The net effect is that his retirement date starts creeping closer instead of his debts pushing retirement further and further away. His focused repayment plan actively pulls it forward. He is not just debt-free, he is more powerful. He has reclaimed control. Here is the game plan. One more time. 1. List all your non-mortgage debts. 2. Rank them by interest rate, highest to lowest. 3. Pay the minimum on everything except the one at the top. 4. Attack that top debt with every spare pound you can find. And 5. Once it is gone, roll that entire payment onto the next debt and repeat that until you are free. This is not just a quick fix, but it is a straightforward one. The feeling of watching those balances plummet is an incredible motivator, and knowing that every payment is guaranteed investment in your own financial future is one of the most powerful feelings on earth. You have the power to change your financial future. It does not have to start with a lottery win or a huge promotion. It starts today with a simple decision to pay off your debt in the right order. What is the one debt that you would love to get rid of first? Comment below. Let me know. Thank you for watching.